Good morning, ma'am. Could you please suggest some important editorials to read today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindu's opinion section today, which is about Venezuela's resource curse. So come, let's have a look. Despite having the world's most proven oil resources, the country has strained economy. Venezuela. We're talking about Venezuela's resources here. So imagine a country that has the largest oil reserves in the world. You would expect it to be very rich, right? But the country is Venezuela, but instead of becoming prosperous, it has already become poor, unstable, and bankrupt. This is called the resource curse. Now, what is exactly this resource curse? It means that a country has a lot of natural resources, but instead of helping, those resources end up harming its economy. Now, what exactly went wrong in Venezuela? So, first is too much dependent on oil. Venezuela relied almost entirely on their oil exports, and other sectors like agriculture, manufacturing, and industry were ignored. When oil prices were high, money flowed. But when oil prices crashed, the economy collapsed. All eggs in one basket. Now you can see Venezuela's rank among crude oil reserves 2013, crude oil production 2014, and refinery through 2014. This is the chart here. You can see first Venezuela is ranked first in 2013, and then here Venezuela is ranked 35th, which is 35. So again, there is mismanagement and corruption. The government controlled the oil company, which is PDVSA. The money was used for freebies and politics, not long-term development. Oil profits were not invested in education, technology, or infrastructure. Skilled professionals left the country. Third is the falling of oil production. Despite huge reserves, actual oil production declined. Refineries became outdated. No new investment or technology happened. Venezuela fell behind countries like Saudi Arabia, Russia, and the US. So this has been mentioned here. Heavy debt and inflation. Government borrowed heavily, assuming oil money would always come. When oil income fell, debts remained. The results were hyperinflation, currency collapse, shortage of food, fuel, and medicines. Then lastly, sanctions made it even worse. So sanctions have also been mentioned here. US sanctions restricted oil exports, access to global finance, import of refinery equipment. This deepened the crisis but didn't start it. The result today is one of the richest oil countries, yet people are struggling for basic needs, massive migration, economy in ruins, hence called unfulfilled potential. Venezuela had resources without good governance, and that turned wealth into a curse. Now let us look at some numbers. Venezuela had the largest proven reserves of crude oil in the world, which is 303 billion barrels in 2023, yet it ranked much lower in the production and refining of oil. So now let us look at the UPSC relevance of the topic and how this is relevant for civil service examination. So it is highly relevant for GS paper 1, which is geography, GS paper 2, which is polity and governance, GS paper 3, of course economy, and it becomes highly important in ethics also, which is GS paper 4. If you want a deeper analysis of this editorial, please go visit our DNA video, and that is it for today. Thank you for watching.